Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really exciting for you. I recently found a secret Videoscribe coupon code for 2025 that can save you big money on one of the best whiteboard animation software tools out there. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to claim the discount and why Videoscribe is the go-to choice for creators, businesses, and educators worldwide. Why Videoscribe? If you've ever seen those professional whiteboard-style videos with hand-drawn animations, chances are they were made with Videoscribe. It's an incredibly simple tool that lets you create stunning explainer videos, presentations, and marketing content without needing design skills. Here's what makes it stand out. Drag and drop editor. No tech skills required. Thousands of built-in images, music tracks, and templates. Perfect for YouTube, business ads, online courses, and social media. Saves you time and money compared to hiring a professional animator. Now here's the best part. The secret coupon codes and discounts for 2025. Use the code Scribe25 to get 25% off any plan. This works for monthly and annual subscriptions. There's also a special hidden deal where you can grab up to 50% off the annual plan if you sign up through my exclusive link in the description. Sometimes Videoscribe runs limited time promos during events like New Year or Black Friday, where you can save up to 60%, and my link always updates to reflect the biggest discount available. Pro tip, the annual plan gives you the biggest savings, especially when you stack it with my affiliate link. Instead of paying full monthly prices, you can cut your costs almost in half. And here's the kicker. With this coupon, you're not just saving money, you're also unlocking unlimited video creation that you can use for your business, clients, or even to start a side hustle selling whiteboard animation services. That means this tool can literally pay for itself in no time. So if you've been thinking about trying Videoscribe, now is the perfect moment. Click the link in my description, grab the secret coupon code for 2025, and start creating your first video today. That's it for this one. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more discount codes and software reviews, and drop a comment below. What kind of videos are you planning to create with Videoscribe? Explainers, ads, or maybe course content? Don't miss out. This secret Videoscribe coupon code 2025 won't be around forever. Save big, create better, and I'll see you in the next video.